Hey guys, so today, as you see by the title of this video, I will be filming a BH Cosmetics haul. Obviously I don't have the products in here anymore, but these are all the stuff that I bought. So let's just get started. Show you are their pressed powders. I got their pressed powders in every shade that they have. They have only 7 shades available. I wish they had more because, you know, that's a little bit of people, like that's a little bit of shades. But let me show you. So I picked them all up. If you don't know, guys, these are like basically dupes for the MAC Studio Fix, and they're bomb. For the price that they are, they're bomb. I picked them up for $6 each, I believe. So yeah, all this makeup that I'm gonna show you guys is for my makeup kit. This is what I use, and these are products that some I haven't tried, but I'm gonna try on them and see if it works. This shade that they have is 205. Looks like that. It's really pale, so really good for fair skin tone. Then they have 215. So this one's just a little tad bit darker. It's 215. 230, which this is my shade. As you can see, it's my shade. They all look similar, guys, but on the camera, I don't know why they all look lighter. They're a little bit darker. Down to 235. It starts getting down to like a 240, 250. And the last pressed powder that they have in the shade 255. So that's the darkest shade they have. So that's all the pressed powders that I got. I literally bought all of them. I wish they would come out with more shades, guys. Like I said, I feel like their shade range is kind of off. I feel like it's more lighter skin, obviously. So after I picked up these Brilliance bronzers, and guys, the packaging is so cute. Look at this. It's like a rose gold and then like a little mirror, and it's a white gold, rose gold. These are these satin bronzers. I love the formula of these bronzers, guys. It's super nice. So we have Golden Gal, which is the lightest one, Coco Cutie, which is the medium one, and then the darkest shade they have is called Bronze Baby. So these are the shades. And I picked up 5 of their BH Studio Pro concealers. Guys, these are my favorite affordable concealers. Oops, excuse me. And it comes in this packaging. Look how cute. So that's the packaging. Obviously, like I said, these are concealers that I like using. I love these concealers, guys. I swear by them. So I got the shades that they had available. So they had, let me see, the lightest one. This is 100.5, which this is like a fair pink shade. Then they have 101, 104, which is like a yellow, light yellow undertone. This is the one that I use. I use this color. Then we have the 113 and then 117. 100.5, 101, 104, 113, and 117. So then I pick up 3 of the, bless you baby. I picked up 3 of the dual brow pencils. The first shade that I got is Brunette, Ebony, and Medium. So the thin side, you know, to get precise. And then this is the one to kind of like fill them in, the thicker side. This one is Brunette. This is the thin one. And these are super creamy, guys. I love these, especially when you fill them in with this side. I love it. Like, you could really work with these. Brunette. So this is medium. It kind of looks like brunette, but a little bit more warmer, which is weird. yeah, because I feel like brunette should have been warmer than medium. But yeah, that one's medium. So yeah, that one's ebony, but as you can see, the difference of all of them now. So this is brunette, medium, and ebony. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to finish this video quick. If I seem a little off in this video, it's because I'm kind of tired. It's late at night, the baby's being fussy in the background, as you can see, she's being fussy. Started. Now I'm gonna go on to the palettes. So I did like how they came packaged in these little zippy thingies, because I feel like they're like more secure and more safe, like they won't. I got both of the contour palettes, so I know they look the same, but this is the Shade and Define 10 colored palette. 10 contour palette, Shade and Define. So it looks like that. This is, I think this is, yeah, this is the lighter one, like this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to do a voiceover right here real quick because the baby was crying in the background. But now I'm going in with the blush palette. So this one right here was a classic blush palette. And then I'm going to go in and show you the nude one, which is the one on the bottom. So both of these kind of look alike, but they're really different if you see them in person. So yeah, one's classic and one nude. Now I'm going in with the Spotlight Highlight palettes. Guys, these palettes are humongous, and then it comes with a big ass mirror. So that's what it looks like. So you have like your white shade, your goldish shade, your peachy shade, your white champagne, a little dark one, and then like a peach. And then for the last thing, I did pick up the BH Pro Studio Pro palette, and this is the brow one. So it's like your, hold on, like your brow products, and then on the bottom you have like your gel to mix it with the powders. And I specifically wanted to get this one because they reminded me of the Anastasia one with all the shades, but I wanted to see how this, I wanted to see how this one will work on my clients. So yeah guys, you have your like your taupey shades, you have your medium shades, and then you have your warm dark shades, and then these gel thingies to mix it with. So yeah guys, that was the end of the tutorial. What the fuck? That was the end of the BH Cosmetics makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will link down below all the stuff that I got. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.